Okay, so I got the baler dropped off, and now I'm heading out to go find the other baler that we bought, which is the same as the one we just dropped off. Hopefully it's a little better baler though. Looking to pick up a Heston 4910 baler. I know it's out here. I believe it's up over this hill on the bottom side of this, the other side of this hill. Oh, you can see there's a lot of farming going on around here. Neighbors close to each other. Everybody's got a certain amount of ground. This is what I was saying, you know, 40, there's like 40,000 farmable acres where I live, in the state that I live in, and of that 40,000, there's probably a little more than half that are owned by small farmers. And what I mean by small farmers is I don't mean 20, 30, or 40 acres. I'm talking 2, 4, 500, 1,000 acres, maybe even 2,500 acres. And they're all just trying to make a living, trying to make ends meet. You can see some wheel lines there, and then some circles, and some places you don't see too much anymore is what they call real ground, which is a ditch that you run water down, and you use siphon tubes to put water down corrugates to water your crops. And there's not too much of that around anymore with the advancement of technology and circles and wheel lines and hand lines. And it just keeps getting better and better. There's that orange one right there is a Sergeant. I'm not sure what that green one is. That might be a Sergeant too. Most of those are pretty much obsolete anymore. You got your Zomatics and your Valleys and your Rinky. Irrigation systems. Most everybody's upgraded newer and better circles, and technology just keeps changing all the time. And that's just the way it goes. Well, that's interesting. They got a waste ditch right through the middle of the field there. That's interesting. Never seen that one before. And then up here we got somebody who seems to like windmills, or yep, little miniature wind vanes, weather vanes, as they're called. That's a pretty cool sight. Sorry about all the bouncing and some fun stuff there. And let's see here. Now, if I'm right, my baler should be down here on the right. Start slowing down a little bit. And see here, and where is my baler? There's my baler. Right over there. Okay, I'm gonna come down here and get in there and go get her picked up and take her home. It's been a long trip. It took me 2.5 hours to get to where it was dropping off the other baler, and another half hour to get over here to pick up this new one. So we'll get that done, and oops, sorry about that, covered the camera. And we'll get that done and See, it looks like they already started maybe working the ground here, as you can see. Well, we'll go get this baler picked up and be on our way. Okay. I paused the camera there for a minute. And then I had a second thought, and I thought, you know, maybe you might like to see how I'm gonna hook this thing up. Could be fun. I'm gonna have to crank that up. Okay, so I had to get it lined up. Had to raise it up quite a bit. Let's see if we can get this in here. Come on. Okay, that's gonna be a kind of a bugger. This is always a pain to try and do these. You don't get them just right. They don't fit in there like they're supposed to. Let's see if we can point that over just a hair more. Where's my wrench? Pop it down in there. Okay, well, let's try and back it up a little bit. See if that did anything. Now got it in there.